Have you ever opened your fridge for a cold drink and wondered how this magic box actually works? It's not magic, it's science, and it's fascinating. You might think a refrigerator creates cold, but it actually does the opposite. It moves heat from the inside to the outside. Let's break down this amazing process. It all revolves around a special fluid called a refrigerant. This substance has a very low boiling point, which is key to the whole operation. The journey of this refrigerant is a continuous loop called the refrigeration cycle, and it has four main stops: the compressor, the condenser coils, the expansion valve, and the evaporator coils. The cycle starts at the heart of the system, the compressor. You can usually hear it humming. The compressor takes the refrigerant, which is in a low-pressure gas form, and squeezes it. This compression packs the molecules together, dramatically increasing its pressure and temperature. Now we have a high-pressure gas. Next, this hot gas flows into the condenser coils. These are the coils you often see on the back of older refrigerators, or they might be hidden in the walls of newer models. As the hot gas travels through these coils, the heat radiates out into your kitchen. This is why the back of your fridge feels warm. As the refrigerant loses heat, it cools down and condenses, changing from a gas back into a liquid. So now we have a high-pressure liquid refrigerant, still warm but no longer a hot gas. From the condenser, this high-pressure liquid moves to the expansion valve. Think of this valve like a tiny nozzle. When the liquid is forced through this narrow opening, its pressure drops suddenly and drastically. This rapid drop in pressure causes the liquid refrigerant to expand and turn into a very cold, low-pressure mist part liquid, part gas. It's the same principle as when you use an aerosol can and it feels cold to the touch. Now for the magic part. As the cold refrigerant travels through these coils, it absorbs heat from the air inside your fridge. This is what cools down your food and drinks. As the refrigerant absorbs all that heat, it starts to boil and evaporates completely, turning back into a low-pressure gas. And that brings us full circle. This low-pressure, heat-filled gas is then sucked back into the compressor to start the entire process all over again. This continuous cycle of compressing, condensing, expanding, and evaporating is what keeps the inside of your refrigerator consistently cold, tirelessly moving heat from where you don't want it, your food, to where you don't mind it, your kitchen. A thermostat inside the fridge acts as the brain of the operation. It monitors the internal temperature, and when it gets too warm, it tells the compressor to kick on and start the cycle. Once it's cool enough, the thermostat signals the compressor to shut off, saving energy. So, the next time you grab a snack from your fridge, you'll know it's not just a cold box, but a sophisticated heat-moving machine. It's a brilliant piece of engineering that we use every single day. Thanks for watching. If you found this explanation cool, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into everyday science. See you in the next video.